Garlic butter shrimp. I'll take. Hey y'all. Yep. Got my bonnet on. Jewelry off. So me and husband's over here eating some greens with some smoked turkey tails, some cornbread, and some corn on the cob because I don't know what's happening right now. I've just been craving it and I've been eating it for 3 days now. This is the last of it. So anyway, hubby trying to show me how how his family used to eat. Still eats greens. Now, when I was pregnant and I was 18, I was at his grandmother's house with him and his father, and they took my fork from me because they said it's not how you eat greens. So I just sat there because I was young and dumb and I didn't know nothing. So now look at hubby eat his greens.
Step one. I'm over here smashing. So you take your greens, get your little cornbread, then like this. Come on, production. Yeah. Come on, swing it that way, this way. Yeah. Now y'all see. Now, see that? Like that.
Wait. So you grabbed it up together and smushed it in your fingers?
Mm-hmm. And you go like this. Put it in.
But it's going to fall all over.
Did a buffet.
What about the germs under your fingernails? Oh, we did wash our hands before we ate, but still.
We're not worried about
So show
germs.
me one more time.
Take it. Get the bowl.
Smush it together.
Make it like a little ball, like.
A little ball. It's kind of like how you eat food and African food.
That's right. Hold the camera up. You're missing up. All of this action.
Oh, God.
Here. So now you
let's
take
see.
the green. They're like this. Kind of hard to explain it. We just got to do it. So, see that? And now you feed your mouth. Y'all parents ain't from the South and they don't eat their green like that.
My parents are not from the South. My parents are from Chicago.
Your parents are bougie then.
Okay, so let's see how this gonna go, y'all.
Your turn, kid.
So, I eat my greens
With a fork.
like this.
Blasphemy.
So let's try it. Look at my nails.
Get them greens under there. Eat that.
Okay, hold on.
Eat it like child's shoulder.
Okay, like this.
Oh my goodness. You ain't never gonna get finished.
It's gonna be under my nails. Hold on.
Family be in your place.
Let me get a little piece of cornbread. Oh, wait. Right. Do I?
You know what's crazy about it? When you go to eating your greens with your fingers and you start eating it with a fork, it's not going to taste the same anymore. So once you do that...
What's the taste got to do with anything?
Something about that...
Okay, here you go. I'm finna do it. I'm finna do it.
Some of that fork.
I'm sorry, y'all. I know I'm disrespecting y'all.
Yeah,
but
messing up.
let me apologize now, okay? I know. Okay, it's all right. I'm gonna wash y'all. Ready? Go down, right? Grab it. Oh, it feels so.
Yeah, smush it. Like
Oh, it feels so. It's like I'm making meatloaf.
Like
okay, smush it like a ball.
Hold it on your 4 fingers.
Oh.
Yeah. Lean over.
What if I drop it all over the place?
Lean over.
Oh. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
My breast is.
Them twins ain't working, huh?
Exactly.
Them twins ain't working for
Oh
you.
no. Let me get them down. Okay, now I do this. Oh, it feels so nasty.
It's gonna be delicious. Look at you. You put too much on your finger. You get way too much.
They taste the same. A little extra germs.
You're not country.
I am not country.
I always told you that your family was bougie.
Look how it's all between my fingers.
This how real. Yeah, now lick your finger. Get the taste. No.
I'm licking my fingers.
Make it smack.
No, I don't want to suck from up under my nails.
See how I made that pop.
So we had a bet. So I have to eat the rest of my food with my hands.
That's right.
Because I'm not a loser. And nor am I a quitter.
Mm-hmm. Come on now. I can't believe I've been with you all these years like this. And you don't know how to eat a green and a cornbread. You almost converted
I do
me.
not have this. The only thing you're supposed to eat with your
You
hands.
already made me snap back.
This is the only thing you eat with your hands. See, I'm just holding it with my fingers. But this right here, look at them greens on my fingers.
Mama, Charles, Barbara, Roberta.
I know your mama used to do it, but I remember when your father took my fork from me at my young youth as 18. Talking about, we were eating cabbage at my young youth. And he was like, we don't even know forks in here. Give me that damn fork. And took my fork. And my baby was enjoying those cabbages. Okay, here you go again.
But my mom made him give it back.
She did. She said, Charles, get that girl her fork back. She don't know nothing about that.
For all you people that don't know,
What about this? Can I do
Dave
this?
Sullivan.
Can I do this?
Yeah. Mama is my grandmother. So we didn't call her grandma and all that. This Nana and all this
I love
good
me
stuff.
some mama.
She was just mama to everybody.
Mama was good to me.
Mama can get
And
that
my
burn.
oldest son. She can give you a what?
She can burn. She know how to rattle them pots.
She knew how to rub them hot. So did his mama.
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you something about my mama-in-law. She gonna tear your kitchen up. But when I tell you, when I was pregnant with my youngest, she came right before I had him because she was gonna help. Because my mom was out of town. Ooh, she would go in the kitchen. I don't even know why. I didn't even eat ham hocks like that. I said I want some cabbage and some ham hocks. She fried chicken thighs. She made cabbage with ham hocks. She made macaroni and cheese, cornbread. I made some lemonade iced tea. It was so good. I was stealing ham hocks and she laughed. I was sitting 8 months in the summertime eating. Ooh, she used to cook for me all the time. Oh, this is working my nerves. Y'all.
I'm done. Ready for me a dessert. I'm ready for me a special cake bar.
I'm about to lose. Because I'm about to go back.
Cake bar.
I don't have no special hay bars. I'm about to go back to my fork. Look at his plate.
Done. Smash.
You can see it.
Yeah, I can see it. He done.
Y'all.
Crowds in play. Miss Bougie over there on the other hand. You gotta get in there and just dig in.
We still over here in Louisiana. Finally got our truck fixed. It's working
It's
again.
been a special week for us this week so far.
Now, we about to go back to Memphis.
Yeah.
So, in the morning. What she say? In the morning?
In the mighty. Tasha.
That's what his little sister used to say. In the morning. I'm ready to go. We're over here at a Love's. And it's a fairly new Love. So it's pretty nice, huh?
Yes.
I want to go wash.
It looks fairly new.
I want to go wash my hands so bad. Look. It just feels so freaking nasty.
And you know the good thing about this Love's over here, and some compared to some of the other Love's and other spots that we park, it doesn't smell like urine out there.
The truck stop. As soon as you get out, I told Charles I don't like to get out because I was smelling nothing but pee and oil. Anyway, I just came on here to say that it's been 9 minutes. I gotta go wash my hands because it just feels so nasty.
Girl, go and dig in there. Stop playing. You need to wash your hands. Go and finish that. Get them old fancy little nails, get a little cornbread on them and put it in your mouth.
And I'm not bougie. And you better stop saying that.
You too bougie.
You always talking about y'all bougie. Y'all was bougie. Y'all was rich. We was not rich.
Y'all was rich.
My mother was a single parent. We was not rich.
Y'all rich if y'all don't know how to eat greens with your fingers.
Y'all from the country. We was not from the country.
That's right. North Little Rock. That's where my mom was
Chicago.
raised. She born in
Chicago.
Chicago now, but she was raised in
Well,
North
my
Little
parents
Rock.
were born in Chicago, and my mother would break your fingers if she saw you doing this. But I don't want to lose this bet.
Like I said,
So
your family almost converted me to that. I was like almost embarrassed to eat my greens with my finger.
and you should have been. You eat your
Nah.
greens with your fingers in a restaurant?
Yes,
No.
I would. I wouldn't get them. That's why I wouldn't get them. I wouldn't get them in a restaurant. For one, most
Just
of the
like messing my
they
green,
cook them. They don't cook them good.
messing my green experience up. Like I love me some greens.
Y'all try it.
I was just sitting up here thinking about the generations and how the generations change. Like how they said ain't no more big mamas. Wasn't nobody never hungry. Nobody never was sleeping in the street. Take on back there in the room, boy, and lay down. And I'll wash you some clothes and make some breakfast in the morning. Grandmamas now is like, you ain't coming over my house. I ain't doing nothing. I don't care. Then I was thinking about greens. These young people don't know nothing about greens. Don't know about cabbage.
Yeah.
All that good stuff. My kids do. My oldest and my youngest. You got a pot of greens around them? Now in the north, we ate all the greens, but mostly mustard and turnip mix. In the south, they know turnip and collard. They don't know mustard. And then sometimes it's hard to find them down here. But I couldn't find mustard for so long, I done converted over to collards. So I think about that. These babies don't know nothing about no cabbage and no greens, and they don't know about cabbage if it's cooked with sausage. And I know you're not fixing to play music in my video.
No.
While you got me over here, my food cold because I don't want to eat it.
I'm trying to work.
If you let you smothering cabbage with some sausage and some bacon, the kids don't want to eat it. I don't like bacon in my sausage because it's gonna make it. I don't want the sausage either. It's gonna make it greasy. Unless you do turkey sausage. Anyway, that's it. I gotta go. 12 minutes. I want to wash my hands and finish my food with my fork. I still have dropping my phone, y'all. I still have me some food to go. I'm not a great camera woman. Anyway, woo!
Come on now. Come on. Do it for your family.
Anyway, since it was 499 degrees out here today, I pulled this hair up off my head as soon as we got back from the shop and popped this bonnet on, took all of my jewelry off and my makeup. We ain't messing with the eyebrows though. But anyway, all right, y'all. That's all we wanted. We're going to call this. I'm surprised, y'all.
I had to sit up. Like, what you gonna call it? She made me sit up. I'm trying to figure out what is she gonna call it. Eating greens with your finger. Turn the camera this way, production. Yeah, there you go. Camera one. It's back on now. Let me move this thing out.
That's my camera stand.
Oh, my bad. Let's put the stand. Let's put the camera boom back. So anyway, we're gonna call this eating greens with your finger. Girls.
Country bumpkins.
Okay, country bump. Yeah, country bumpkins could be a good. Come on, camera person. Come on, camera lady. You're gonna get fired. You're gonna get fired. She's gonna get fired. She don't hold the camera right. So anyway, this is what I want y'all to do. Try eating your greens with your fingers.
Don't try it if you got nails.
I'm telling you, it's gonna give them a whole new taste.
Don't try it if you got nails.
Okay.
And know he lying.
This has nothing to do with whatever she hollering over there. This is going back to your African roots. Let that marinate.
We done.
Let that marinate.
This man done lost his mind.
Back to the
Over and out
Africa,
in
motherland.
Louisiana with my messy fingers.
I said the motherland. Try it, y'all. Deuces. Traumatized. Tried to bring her to the black side. She couldn't do it. Look at her. It's a shame.
My fingernails mad at me.
Her fingernails mad at her. Y'all hear that?
I got OCD.
Y'all hear that? Her fingernails. Oh,
You know I got OCD.
oh, yeah, there we go. Y'all know the story now. She traumatized. The males are crying right now. What the hell is these under my knee? What is these on me? Okay, I got to go. Deuces, y'all. To the next one.